Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. I was just sitting there watching Lynn's video actually, and I'd been watching a couple of other videos, and sometimes you just think there's something wrong. What's wrong this morning? And I heard the sound of the heating coming on, and I thought, well, it's not that, but there's a sound missing. That was the sound that was missing. That's not funny. Not this time of year with stuff growing. Down to 10 degrees. The heater's packed up. Now, it could be one of many things. It's plugged into that extension lead at the moment because that didn't have a spare socket basically. Now, it could be the heater itself. It could be the fuse in that plug. It could be the fuse in the end of the plug on the extension lead. So I'm going to have to systematically go through everything. The easiest thing will be to unplug the heater from there and go and plug it in somewhere else and see if it works. If it does, then the problem's with the extension lead. Easily fixed. If the heater itself has gone, I'm not going to bother replacing it now. I will just get to the point where when I go to bed I leave the door open. Yeah, and the residual heat from the house takes the chill off of this place. It means that when I get up in the morning the house is quite cold, but that's not a big deal. Put a jumper on, Roger. But that's not a big deal. That's what I normally do around this time of year anyway, so this isn't a big deal. But it's funny, I was just sitting there thinking there's something not right. You know when you think, like, what they call the expression eyes in the back of your neck, when you're sitting somewhere or standing somewhere and you feel somebody staring at you from behind. It's just a feeling. Anyway, that was what the feeling was all about. Bloody heater's packed up. Ugh. I will sort it. It's not, you know, if it was January it would be a big deal based on the fact that the first thing is I can't pop round the local DIY place and get another one because they're closed and I'm not allowed out, so I'd have to wait for an online order, which could take a while. So not quite such a big deal as it could have been, but yeah, that's and quite a cold night last night. Luckily not as cold as the night before when we had quite a frost. So yesterday morning was quite a frost, whereas this morning there isn't one, so it's a little bit warmer. Anyway, I will get that fixed. One way to find out that it's the heater, put it in a plug hole that I know works. Right, so it's not the heater, it's something to do with the extension lead, so that's almost instantly fixable, because I have another one. So not the heater anyway. Oh goody.